Hello friends, my name is Simranjit Singh and welcome back to the series on Facts on Python. Today I will tell you how Facebook company use Python. Well, Python has long been the language most commonly used by production engineers at Facebook. It is the third most famous language after Hack and C++ that Facebook use. In fact, 21% of code base of their infrastructure code base is written in Python. The ease of using Python libraries makes sure that the production engineers at Facebook do not spend more time on writing and maintaining complex code. As Python is so simple that it can perform many tasks with a minimum line of code. So the production engineer focuses more on improvements and upgrades on Facebook product. At the same time, it also makes sure that the infrastructure and the capability of Facebook scale up to as much possible as it can. I hope these facts about usage of Python at Facebook adds up to your knowledge about Python. Stay tuned as I will be back with a lot of new interesting facts. For our other videos and exciting stuff, do join our social media handles. Thank you.